BJP MLA Hukum Singh, who was named in the FIR for allegedly making hate speeches in connection with the Muzaffarnagar riots, has claimed that riot victims who stayed in the camps are not legitimate voters. Singh says the riot victims who have no address can't be voters, and if they are given voting rights, he will complain. Hukum Singh has been fielded by the BJP from Kairana in Muzaffarnagar.
मैं ना कहीं दंगे के आरोप से घिरा हुआ हूँ, ना मेरे खिलाफ कोई आरोप पत्र है। घिरना तो बहुत बड़ी बात है, मेरे खिलाफ तो कोई आरोप पत्र नहीं।
तो जो लोग पीड़ित हैं और वो कैंप में रह रहे हैं, क्या आप उनसे वोट मांगने जाएंगे?
जो लोग तथाकथित शिविरों में रह रहे हैं, वो मतदाता है ही नहीं, उनसे वोट मांगने कैसे जाऊँगा
मैंने उनका बनाया है, वो
सरकार थोड़ा ही उनको बना देगी। उसका एक कायदा कानून है, क्योंकि ये लोग अनधिकृत कब्जे में रह रहे हैं, ट्रेसपासर्स हैं ये लोग। और जब इनका कोई मकान नहीं, मकान का नंबर नहीं है, सरकार उनको नोटिस दे चुकी है निकलने का, सरकार उनके खिलाफ मुकदमे काम कर चुके हैं निकलने के, तो मतदाता है ही नहीं। अगर मतदाता बनाया जाता है, पक्षपातपूर्ण होगा, जिसके खिलाफ हम शिकायत करेंगे इलेक्शन में।
Well, Anand Zanane now joins us on the phone line for more. Anand, yet another controversy regarding those living in relief camps after the Muzaffarnagar riots. What does the Election Commission have to say on this?
Well, the Election Commission is yet to take cognizance of what Mr. Hukum Singh has said, but essentially he's talking about this one particular camp in the Shamli district, and the Kairana constituency, the Lok Sabha constituency, covers that particular camp also. It's the Malakpur camp, and essentially he's talking about some close to 2,000 riot victims who are staying in that particular camp. Now that camp, interestingly, is run and managed by the BSP, the local BSP candidate, Lok Sabha candidate. So which is why these are the kind of statements and the remarks that are coming in from Hukum Singh. He's referring to them as trespassers. He is in a sense accurate enough when he talks about the fact that notices have been issued to these people to vacate this piece of land where they're currently staying, because it's a government-owned land, it's a forest department property. But to talk about riot victims in this manner and to say that their vote is absolutely insignificant to any political party is something which is insensitive in a way. And the Election Commission has already said that anybody who has been displaced on account of these riots will get their voting rights no matter where they are. So it will be interesting to see whether the Election Commission takes cognizance of what Mr. Hukum Singh is saying with respect to calling these people trespassers and saying that they should be denied their voting rights.
All right, Anand, thanks so much for joining us with that.